My name is Daniel Pfeiffer. I'm COO and VP of Partnerships at OrionVM. OrionVM has done a lot of innovation on how cloud is built in terms of the tech stack, the software. We were inspired by the supercomputing space, HPC, and we took components from supercomputers and put them together in a form and at a price point that gives a high-performing cloud to a wide array of businesses across the globe. There's all this hype and there's energy around AI now, but how you leverage it economically, how you leverage it in a private cloud environment where you have data sovereignty and you can keep the compliance that you need for your solution is a complex thing, and there's a lot of trepidation of how do I do it? There's a lot of public cloud workloads that will not be ideal for an AI environment. People are going to want a private environment that they can control. So we feel that with our technology and the way we can deploy our solutions for our partners, we can create an ideal hosting environment for AI and for all these solutions now that are going to see a huge explosion in demand. So our partnership with Blaize is very important to us. Blaize has built, with their custom ASICs and their accelerators, an inferencing chip that plugs into our ecosystem in a very natural way, but also enabling a whole host of solutions. So we're now able to take Blaize's technology, virtualize it into a cloud environment, and now provide a whole ecosystem of ISVs, independent software vendors, to deliver their solutions to market at price points and with a feature set that they couldn't do on an incumbent cloud. Whole power density for a data center and that power footprint is a key thing. Blaize has reduced that power footprint up to 1/3, as well as the cost, so it can be a very green solution. We can now bundle this in terms of our servers and our cloud infrastructure and provide an alternate to some of the incumbents, where you now get, particularly for video surveillance, an inferencing chip that can now do that at 1/3 of the power. There's a ton of innovation happening right now, and there's all these technologies that are sometimes built in siloed environments. It's hard to leverage them in aggregate. And so our partnership with Blaize is a great example of taking an innovative technology, putting it in the cloud, and then make it very easy for our distributor CloudCo to sell that and solve the problem for their end clients. They could just take an existing IP camera and plug it in, and they have all that complexity under the hood, and they don't have to worry about it. So that's a situation where you've now gone from tech innovation to an actual meaningful deployed solution that is changing the world and giving a lot of value to businesses and partners.